Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In today's video, we're going to talk about some terms to talk about how things happen now. And also, we're going to talk about how to talk about the things that used to be, like how things were back in the day. And we're going to compare how things were back in the day to how things are nowadays. So let's first have a look at some terms to talk about the things nowadays. Um, the first one is actualmente, and actualmente means nowadays. Common mistake: actualmente doesn't mean actually. It's not actually. Actualmente means nowadays, and this is a very important thing. I see this mistake a lot, so please fix this. I understand that the ly English actually, yeah, in Spanish, most of the times it's the mente, yeah. So the ending, right? So actually, actualmente, right? Or uh, horizontally, horizontalmente. Yes, it's true, but not always is the same meaning, and this is the case. So if you want to use the term actually, you have to use this, de hecho. De hecho means actually, also means in fact. So, anyways, actualmente means nowadays. Let's have a look at this example here. Actualmente, casi todos los jóvenes tienen Instagram. Like nowadays, nearly every or almost every single young person has Instagram. So that's the example here. Hoy en día is another term that we use, which means like nowadays. Let's have a look at this example. Hoy en día los niños juegan online. Nowadays, children play online. Yep. Ahora also means nowadays, and it also means now. So ahora means yeah now, but ahora also means nowadays. So um, ahora la gente pide comida por internet. It's like nowadays people order food via internet, or that would be it. So these are the three terms to talk about nowadays. Let's now compare how things were before against how things are now. Let's do this. So if you want to compare, so we're going to use the expression antes. Antes means before. And after you use this, after you put the word before, you're going to conjugate this the next verb in past imperfect. And this is very important. So before, things were like this. So this were is going to be in past imperfect. Yeah. And on the other side, now, then you're going to put everything in present tense. So before, things were different. Now they are the same. I don't know, something like that. So let's have a look at some examples. Antes y ahora. Antes los niños jugaban en los parques. Ahora juegan en los teléfonos. Before, children used to play at the parks. Now they play on the phones. So, you see, antes jugaban, ahora juegan. It's the same verb, but here it's going to be in past imperfect, and here it's going to be in present tense. Yeah? Antes, la gente se comunicaba por cartas. Ahora se comunica por WhatsApp. Like before, people used to communicate through letters. Now they communicate through WhatsApp. So another example. Antes los carros eran pesados y lentos. Ahora son ligeros y rápidos. Antes eran, before they used to be, before cars used to be heavy and slow. Now they are, ahora son, light and fast. Antes la vida era más simple. Actualmente es más compleja. So before, life was simpler. Nowadays it's more complex. Complejo means complex. Complicated is complicado. Different. Antes la educación era en persona. Ahora es virtual. So before, education was in person. Now it's virtual or online. Antes había muchos elefantes. Hoy en día no hay muchos. So antes, yeah, before, there were, or there used to be, many elephants. Nowadays, there are not many. So as you can see, for the part on the left, antes, blah blah blah, we're gonna use imperfect, and for the part on the right, for now, we're gonna use the present tense. So that's how you talk about how things were before against how things are now. How do you practice this? And this is a beautiful exercise. You're going to talk to a person. Well, first, you're going to do your Quizlet flashcards, write your notes in writing. And in a real life situation, um, try to talk to a person, an old person, maybe over 80 years old, and 70, 80, and ask her or ask him how things were before compared to how things are now, and listen and enjoy. Why? Because by doing so, you're going to talk about a person and a foreign, person, old and from a foreign country. This person is going to tell you how things used to be, and you're going to learn, a lot about the culture and history even. So it's a very nice conversation here. Many nice conversations here. So talk to all people and learn from them. They know a lot of things, how things were before. And yeah, have a lot of fun with this. I hope you like this video, and please have these conversations with these old people. This is really nice. You're going to learn quite a lot, and they speak a very beautiful Spanish. Thank you so much. Gracias. And see you in the next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.